Welcome to this video today, which is about a very valuable Forex trading tool. And it's so valuable because it can actually help you spot every major trend change in advance. And even better news about this trading tool is it's totally free. And not many Forex traders use it, but if you do, you'll get advance warning of all the big trend changes. So what is the free tool? The free tool is actually, it comes from the CFTC, and it's the Commitment of Traders report. And basically the report is issued each Friday, and it gives you a breakdown of major players on the IMM currency future markets. And by looking at what they're doing, you can actually get advance warning of all the big trend changes. And I'll explain how you read it. But first of all, what I want to do is just go through the three groups you see on the report. It's split into three groups, and they are the following. They're reportable. That's the first group you see on the report. And that's basically large funds. They've got such big positions, they have to report them to the CFTC, so they're hedge funds, big institutions. The next group is called commercial. Commercials are basically hedgers, so they're not there to make money. The reportable group obviously is the funds want to make money. Commercials are just hedging, so they basically own the cash, they're hedging with the futures, and they're not motivated by making money. And this point is very important when I come back to how to use the report. And then the last group is called non-reportable. That's all the small traders. Now, the important two groups to watch, the first two, reportable and commercial. And what you want to do is look at, if they are diverging from each other in terms of their view of the market. Now, let's just take why this is so important. First of all, with the reportable group, the hedge funds and so forth, they're there to make money. And what they will tend to do is they'll be right about long-term trends, but they'll always get caught at turning points. They'll always be caught when the market has a big trend change. And this, I've been watching this report for about 25 years. They always get caught heavily long at the market top, heavily short at the market bottom. Now, the reason for that is they're obviously motivated by greed, they're using technical systems, and they're going to get caught at these trend changes. The commercials, I've already stated earlier, they're not there to make money at all. They're not speculating, they're hedging. But what they have is a deep understanding of fair value. So they can basically judge when a price has gone too far too quickly. And what they'll do is they'll only move their hedges. Don't forget, they're not making any money. Okay, so they'll only move their hedges once prices have moved too far from fair value. And what you want to do is look for divergence between the two groups. For example, if the speculators are heavily net long, their longs are far more than their shorts, and then you've got the commercials on the other side who hold an opposite position, you then know a trend change is coming. You have to look for divergence between the two groups, and you have to look at the difference between the longs and shorts that they have. But what you'll find is that every major trend change, the commercials will basically be right, the speculators, reportable funds will be wrong. And what you've got to do is just practice reading the report and just look for those divergences. They're obvious when you look at the report. And then you've got an alert for a big trend change coming. And then what you do is you can time your entry with your usual technical system and tools and so forth. What you've got to keep in mind is this report is not a timing report, okay? The commercials can actually be wrong and it doesn't hurt them. They're hedging, okay? So they don't have to be too fussy about their market timing. Obviously, we do as speculators. What it is doing is it's alerting you to a bullish or bearish extreme in a currency. And the commercials catch all those big trend changes. Go and check out the report. You can go to the CFTC site, go to the Commitment of Traders, and basically check out the currency futures report there. It's extremely valuable. Yeah, I find it a fantastic tool. It's made me thousands every year for many years, and it's totally free. So thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.